Aging is a natural process and it will happen to all of us. We will all get wrinkles and we must learn to wear the wrinkles as medals on our faces. Aging naturally and gracefully is the choice we should be making. However, premature wrinkles or dullness of the skin should be taken into consideration. Namaste, you're watching Shakti Yoga with Shaili. I am Shaili, and in this video, you and we will practice together 3 simple stretches for the face. Through these stretches, we will be working upon the facial muscles. We will be stretching the muscles of the face, so any fat that is being accumulated here in this region will melt away with regular practice because you will be stretching and contracting the muscles. The skin will later on become tight. Of course, you need to complement these stretches with a healthy diet and a stress-free, healthy lifestyle. Also, through these stretches, you will be increasing the blood flow in this region, which ultimately lead to a heightened glow on your face. Let's learn the stretches now. So for the first stretch, you need to fill your mouth with air. Fill it with as much air as you can. You should feel the pressure. And then once you are done filling the air, we are going to hold the air in the mouth for 10 seconds. Okay, I'll show you once and then we will do it together. So you have to do it like this. So you fill your mouth with air. Putting these 2 fingers at your lips allows you to keep the air in and then open your eyes wide. Okay, let's do it together for a count of 10. Release. You must be feeling some tingling sensation here. Let's do it one more time. The next, again, filling the mouth with air, but we're going to transfer the air from left cheek to the right. I'm sure a lot of you have done this as a child. Okay, let's do it. Simple one. Let me show it to you once and then we will do it for a count of 10. Okay? Again, during the transfer of air, if you feel that you have the tendency of loosening the lips or opening the mouth, you can always press onto your lips with first 2 fingers, placing them on your lips. Okay, that just holds the air in. Let's do it together. So transfer from left to right, 1, 2. That's how we are going to count it. All right. Let's do it one more time. Okay, the third stretch. For the third stretch, you need to squeeze your cheeks in as tightly as you can. Let me show you. So really pull your cheeks in and you will be rolling your lips when you do that. And once you are in the final position, we are going to lift the chin up. So we feel a deep stretch here. Let's do it together and we will hold it for a count of 10. Squeeze in your cheeks. You can tap onto your cheeks like this. So these are 3 simple stretches that you can be practicing every day for your facial muscles. And whenever you are feeling very tired or tight, sometimes you feel like saying big ah, stretching your mouth wide, do that. Smile often, and throughout the day, waken up the skin. How can you do that? Use the tips of your fingers and gently tap from forehead to the neck, bottom of your neck, top to bottom. Okay, you can tap gently top to bottom. This feels really nice. So these are simple stretches that you can be following every single day, and you will definitely feel a difference. But remember, not just the face value, not just what you see on the face, it is what you feel inside that matters the most. So when you smile, smile from your heart and try to keep your life as stress-free as possible, and you will see the glow coming from within. If you have any suggestions for more videos or any questions, do leave your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon with another video. Namaste.